foremost, I want to give all honor, praise, and glory to our Mother, Father, Creator, and to the memory of our great, great African ancestors. And we're thankful that we have risen up this morning in perfect health and strength with all of our marbles intact, at least most of us, and our parts still working. This morning is really very, very important. It is not, as all of you know by now, you are not tourists, you're not on vacation. This is a pilgrimage having returned to the land of your ancient ancestors. And as I say, our common ancestors, because those ancestors that are ours are also the ancestors of our brothers who are accompanying you on this journey. When you enter into the castle dungeons, first of all, I want you to keep your mind open and clear. People will tell you all sorts of things. Many things will happen to you. Yes. But whatever happens to you, let it happen. Don't be afraid. Don't hold back. If it's screaming that you need to scream, then scream. If you need to roll on the floor, roll on the floor. Whatever it is that the Spirit gives you to do, do it. Because it's real. And those ancestors, those dungeons, are not jokes. You will not be going on a tour with Europeans or others. You will go on your own. So whatever it is that you feel, just let it be. Let it naturally happen. There is no embarrassment. There is no one that you have to apologize to for your actions. It's like being reborn. All of us who have given birth know that birthing is difficult. It's painful. But just imagine what a rebirth is and how painful that is. So I send you forward with my blessings, with the protection of the ancestors, knowing that whatever will be, will be. And when you return here to One Africa, we will continue with our ceremonies. But just keep your minds open, keep your heart open, let your spirit soar. Peace and blessings.